So in this video I am going to be showing you how you can hide your WhatsApp status from some people in your contacts. So let's begin. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. So as you can see, my WhatsApp is in dark mode, and if you want to enable, I will give a link to the video that I have made on this on the I button or in the description. So just check out. And now what you need to do is just slide to the left and just click on this three lines. Okay, just click on it. Now just click on this status privacy, and now you have here three options. Okay, so the first one is default selected. So in this the status will be seen by only your contacts only, in which means whatever number you have saved in your phone, only they can only view your status. Now in the second option, you can actually select the people to which you don't want to show your status. So if I click on the second option, and here there are the contact list that you have saved in your phone. So now what you need to do is just select anyone that you don't want to show your WhatsApp status. After selecting, just click on this. Okay, you can select any number of contacts. So after selecting that, just click on this right, and it's, as you can see, status settings updated. So now the selected contact will not be able to view your WhatsApp status. Okay, so the third option is very different. Now if I select on this, okay, so in this option the contacts that you're selecting, only they will be able to see your WhatsApp status. Okay, all others cannot see your WhatsApp status. So if you don't want so many people to view your WhatsApp status, you can use this option. And it is same as that as the first one. Just click on the contact which you want to show your status, and then click on this right button, and the settings is updated. Now what you need to do is just click on this done. After everything you have made it, after everything you have changes made, and then click on this done, and now your status will not be viewed by the other person or whatever settings you have selected. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, then make sure you hit the like and let me know in the comments. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon, and I really appreciate that.